How to update TikTok on Android, iPhone, or any other Samsung phone. Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to update your TikTok. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your Google Play Store. Now to check for updates on TikTok, you first have to go to Play Store. If you are on an iPhone or any other iOS device, you could just go ahead and open up your App Store. Find the search icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar up top and then simply search for TikTok. Now just search for it and then tap on it. Once you have it, if you still have the open button, then that means that your app is up to date. And if you have an update button instead of open, you want to tap on that to update the app to its latest version. And if you are sure that your app is not up to date, but you still can't find the update button, in that case, you can tap on uninstall and then uninstall the app by tapping on uninstall again, then reinstall the application. After you reinstall the app, it would automatically update and download the latest version of the app for you. Then you could just log into your account and you'll be good to go. And that's how you basically update your TikTok to its latest version. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.